Alright guys, today I have got this, not sure if I'm pronouncing it correctly, Pfaffenhain. It's a challenge lock Euro cylinder sent to me by Potti314. Says use shim to gut. I haven't looked at the key yet, it's mummified. So let's see if we can get it open and then check out the bitting on this. Alright, I'm going to use top of the keyway. And I'm going to start out with my shallow hook from Sparrows. Got a little play there. Alright, let's see what we can make of it. A little feedback on 2. A little feedback on 3. Got a little turn of the core going under 4. Getting some feedback on 5. A lot of feedback. I'll try something a little deeper. I'm not sure if that one's set. Well, got a really deep false set now. Let's see. 1 feels good. Dropping my pick. Getting a little more feedback on 5, I believe it is. Oh, there it is. Alright. Pretty tough little lock. Not bad for my first time opening it. Alright, let's get this thing. You know what, let's go ahead and take a look at that key before I forget. See if I can get this off here. Oh, there we go. There's the bitting on the key. Nothing too crazy. That number 5 is set way up there. Which explains why I thought I had it set, but I didn't. Alright. Let's see. Let's get this thing off of here. Alright, the key says use the shim to gut, so we are going to follow his advice, and I am going to shim this thing. So maybe. There we go. Alright, let's find a follower. Key pins are on top. Beautiful. Well, you can already see there's a little bit of work done to the core there. Let's check our key. All 5 pins are in and working. Alright, let's see what we've got here. 1 standard, 2 standard, 3 standard, 4 standard, and 5 is standard. As far as the core, looks like there's threading in 2 and 3. 4 looks like it's been countersunk maybe, and enlarged a little kind of oblong there on the top. Those are some long key pins. I don't think I've ever seen key pins this long. Alright, let's see what we've got upstairs. Pull this shim out of here because I don't think we're going to need it anymore. Or at least not for the gutting. Alright, let's see what we have here. Number 1 is it's almost like a reduced diameter, a big T-pin maybe, or serrated. It's a key pin upside down. Two also looks like a key pin upside down, serrated. We'll take a closer look at these in a minute. I'm going to pull these springs as we go, if I can, keep them out of the way. Three is a little spool, look like. Wow. 4 was a little T-pin. See if I can get that spring out. Oh, well, 5 popped out of there. Let's pull it. Wow, that is one long spool. Let me see if I can get these springs out. That's the one that came out of 5. 4 seems to be hung up right above the shear line. There we go. Alright, as far as the core, doesn't look like anything's been changed in the core. Alright, let's get a closer look at these pins. Alright, all the key pins are all standard. And let's see, upstairs we've got an upside down key pin. I don't know if you'd call that serrated or just kind of reduced. It's like a big T-pin. Number 2, serrated key pin that's been flipped upside down. 3 is a spool. 4 is a T-pin. I guess that's what you would call it. It's a key pin turned upside down, and then 5 is this really long deep spool, which explained that really deep false set that I got. Looks like he's done a little bit with the springs too to kind of throw it off. They're all different sizes, different lengths. So that's what we have in this, and correct me if I'm wrong, somebody. Pfaffenhain Euro cylinder sent to me by Potti314. Potti, thanks again for all the locks. Everybody, let's keep it legal and keep it fun.